Hi guys, I'm back today, same place, okay, and mostly same timing also. So I told you that yesterday I told while going home I'll talk to two strangers. So whether I did it or not, can you guess whether I would have done or not? So I spoke to two strangers, and basically I told you I'll ask for the direction. So I asked first person. He was a. I asked him where is the SBI ATM card nearby. So he very politely and kindly he gave me the direction, and he showed me with his hand that you go from here and then take the U-turn. So I did that. I withdrew the money, and then another person was I asked her for the direction to church. I asked, what did I ask? Is there church nearby? Obviously I know where is the church, but I purposely asked her. So she also told me very nicely. And so basically here in Mumbai, whenever you will ask for direction so they like they help you a lot, and very genuinely they will help you. So anytime you are stuck, then you can ask to strangers. They will obviously help you. And yes, today also I watched my video, and I followed the same pattern. And what I think I should do is sentence framing that. And there is no pattern actually when I speak so like I don't finish one topic, and in between them only I am starting the new topic. And second, I should have more energy while speaking. This is what happened when I take the lecture. Like वो आवाज it's sleek ऐसा पतला हो जाता है, and then everyone laughs. But I can't help it why it happens. I don't know. So yeah, so many. So okay, so what I need to do is speak with more energy, and voice is monotonous. I have to work on that. Gradually it will happen, but I have to be intentional about it also. And there should be energy is second is थोड़ा और energy से बोलना पड़ेगा. I have to speak with more energy. Yes, this is better. And the third, sentence framing is still an issue. It will take time, but I should follow a pattern. Like first finish one thing and then start. After finishing it, I have to start. So that is also I have to work on. And I'm continuing. I have continued the reading of seven habits of highly effective people. So this book also I think I'll take 1 month to read it, because I read chapter 2 twice. I have to because see, as long as you are not being able to explain very fluently something to someone, it means that you haven't understood that topic well. That's why I have read that second chapter again, and still I'm not sure whether I'll be able to explain it to anyone. That's why that book only I have to read it at least, right? And it's very effective book. And today I have started the third habit, which is first thing first. Whichever thing is important and urgent. There is a difference between urgent and important. So they have defined all our tasks into 4 quadrants basically. First quadrant is urgent work, and it is also important. Second work, that is important but not urgent. Third is urgent and not important. Fourth is not urgent, not important. What most of us do is we follow first and third quadrant. Like important work urgent करते हैं वो वाला, and then not important and still urgent we do it. So basically what it say, for the more your schedule lies in second quadrant. What is second quadrant? Second quadrant is that your work is not urgent but it is important. Like I have to improve my communication skill. It is important but not urgent. Like I don't have to do it today only. It will happen over a period of time. So this work belongs to quadrant 2. And let's say for example we are in a meeting, okay, and somebody calls me. So we might think that it is urgent and important, but is it urgent? It's not urgent. So it falls, we make it fall into first quadrant, that is, it is urgent and important. But picking up a call in between a meeting is neither urgent nor important, so it lies in fourth quadrant. But what we do, we take, we give the call as priority and not the meeting. So that is that is not a good habit. So the more your work is lying in the second quadrant, you are on the right direction. That is what it said. First thing first. There are a lot of things. This is the start of the chapter. That's what I told you. And then now you have to work on your second quadrant. So that is management of your time. Okay. So this is what today also I am going to. I'll speak to two strangers. I'll ask something that it will be 10 second or more than 10 second. Right now for next 10-15 days I should do like this only. Then once I am comfortable, then I'll try to like increase the increase that duration, 10 second to 20 second, maybe 25 second, and then I can I can build the conversation and try to take it to 1 minute, and later that will still take like 2 or 2.5 months. So still good. The thing is, I should make continuously this video. That's it. If I do it for 6 months or 1 year, then I will be like not where I am today. Let's see whether I'll do it or not. ठीक है, चलो bye bye.